Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good.
Subscribe.
Guys, I just put the breadfruit here because I want to try the breadfruit pudding. Years no more about it, and the final decide say I'm gonna try it. Right, so I'll get the breadfruit here about 2 days to ripe. You see me? Because I want sugar level go up on the breadfruit before make the pudding. You see me? Yeah, man. We have almost all the material already. One thing we don't have, I want dry coconut. You see me? We have all the raw material already. Or the ingredients then. So, I need to get a dry coconut. If I can't get dry coconut, because right now, I have a warm time getting those stuff. I use the coconut powder, but the coconut more use, so we can put a little bit of the trash in the pudding. You see me? Yeah, man. You see? Nice breadfruit, but I don't think I use all the breadfruit, you know. I don't think so. Because I know I make a big pudding and I like it. You see me? Can we say? I try it for the first time, so when it ripe, I see it go. So you guys will see how it turn out. Yeah, man, guys. Today I did make a pudding, you know. See? Soft. I'm going to kind of bit tough, see about it ripe. Yeah, man. I find a coconut, so I see if it good. Yeah, man, see it here, guys. Yeah, man, guys, so the coconut is right, and it kind of heavy, you know, but it a shake. You hear that? It kind of heavy, but a shake. So I chip it out now and see if it's good. And if it's good, the same if I'm buying one. It's not because coconut very expensive. So hopefully we can get one. Hopefully we can get this and don't buy it and save that money there. You see me? That the 5 bills there, 3 bills there, so you see me? Because if you get a nice dry coconut, you look on between $300 to $500. So see what can go on. Alright, guys, so we just reached Linstead now, you know. In the supermarket, I look for one. But the current many wrong aisle, man. You see? A big group in the aisle here, wrong aisle coming now. So, when we reach the aisle one, fine. I'm checking back to the nose, you see me? Yeah, for no reason, I'll be a prunes. You can see right here, so. Yeah, for no reason. Second thing, if we go on the supermarket and get that. Oh my god. I'll be a prunes, you can see. Yeah, man, guys, I finally find the vanilla them, you know. Then change spot for me, I swear. You can never get it either. Yeah. So, one vanilla. They're going to pay $94, 13 cents, and cinnamon extract. Nothing me get me on that. Nothing get ready at home. So, I buy 1 rose water, the vanilla, and the almond flavoring. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Alright, guys, I buy it instead. The rose and almond. So yeah. I buy this and the vanilla. Put back that. Put back this. Yeah, them follow me, guys. Yeah, man. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna cash them here. Guys, so y'all I'm pretty. Yeah, man, y'all I'm pretty. nice breadfruit this. It's more sweet and nice. And it's the waste. Guys, it's a beast thing. The allen part here. A beast thing this, right? And it's a heart and the skin. So you get about 50% of the breadfruit when you do it like this. You see me? Because you know it's hard to find a perfect breadfruit where bees don't sting up. You see me? And even then you still get the skin off of it and the heart, so you still get the full 100. Alright guys, so I start to put down now. After 4 now to 5, but I still start the same way. This will be a night pudding. Anyway, so this is the breadfruit, ginger, this optional guys, right? And I like put ginger in my pudding. Everybody me see beat the pudding here, they don't put no ginger in it, but they don't know me different and like something new. I always put a twist to it. Yeah man. Sugar, flour, browning. I'm starting about clear. Guys, when you bake pudding, those are browning. The best thing to use a red label wine. Red label wine give the colour and a little flavour. Browning give colour and no flavour. You see me? Red label gives a nice flavour and the colour and speed. You see me? And smell of me cinnamon powder this. I have me rose and almond. Yeah man, see me go buy them here and the vanilla. You know, and sugar I before, me nutmeg. Yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I'm coconut, I'm still going for that. Name my that. And see for here right there, so I catch. See coconut here guys, me piece of it. First thing I'm gonna do, I blend the coconut to get the milk. Because I want the milk guys. I need the milk to blend the breadfruit. Yeah man guys, I put in the breadfruit I know. I cut it up now guys. I get it cut up because I can't really camera and cut at the same time. I'm cutting from come back guys. Guys, so a little coconut trash here. Because I want a little crispiness in the pudding, so I put a little coconut trash and breadfruit. I'm adding little milk. I blend this now, blend it so it comes like a smoothie. Yeah guys, so see you know, so it looks like a smoothie, like when the ice cream melt out. Someone want it, so when we done blend the rest and all that, I'm checking back with you guys. See it there guys, they are catch and ready for pudding now. You don't know, and see it here, the coconut trash, ginger and the breadfruit. Yeah man, and the coconut milk as you see. So a time now for adding the ingredients them. Don't know, like a salt, so mix up time now guys. I'm adding the browning. When we finish mix up, so we need the browning and the nutmeg. So those two ingredients leave. I'm gonna taste it to see if it's sweet enough, so more add the more sugar to it. Cause guys, I don't like taste pudding fresh. Not too sweet, not too fresh. So guys, I'm throwing like what I know, cause I don't know say outdoor style. Ella bottom, ella top, and all in the middle. Yeah man, that's style today guys. Yeah man, this is it guys. Yeah man guys, see it there? So come back guys. Yeah man guys, I put in this, right? So I eat it already and say man go show you know. Make the bottom part of it because I love it. The pudding, like the top and the bottom part of it. You see me? Yeah man, see my taste was gone. No. But I tell you what I think about it because I taste it already. Alright guys, the sweetness alright, not too sweet, not too fresh. I rather sweet potato pudding than breadfruit pudding. It's not bad, I'm gonna eat it again, right? But I would rather the sweet potato one. Yeah man guys, thanks to make it this far in the video. For this far, that means I reach the end of the video and things, you see me? I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for the continued support, all our support, you see me? And if you come on the channel for the first time, thanks for the support also, you see me? And this pudding guys, honestly, I like it. I love it like how I love the potato pudding, but this can eat also. Right now, if I do this and give you would I wonder if a sweet potato pudding, because you have a similar taste like the sweet potato pudding and the texture are the same thing guys. Yeah man. And next time I make this, I add in raisin because I believe say raisin with a bad night. I even cousin come this morning and taste and say, yo, this bad. If raisin in it, you just top it off. You see me? Last time I couldn't get a show one time I finished make it because actually guys, I'm so tired and thing and mommy take it up for the stove for me. You see me? And you tell me I'm just go straight to bed same time and go sleep and all that. You see me? And this morning makeup, yeah, almost done. Because everybody love it. So I guess I have to make it again. But next time put more spice in it. The yellow spice I buy, yeah man. A long time I use it so I never put too much in it and then I taste in the pudding. Because you know so then spice there. If you know what you do when you use them because you will taste like the chemical taste in the pudding like. You see me? And put in raisin. The next pudding I make guys are veggie pudding. Yeah man. Right now I have an idea where more execute soon as possible. You see me? Maybe I'll next make that I'm not sure. But as soon. So stay tuned for the video guys and stay tuned for enough more videos and thank for the support. And remember, like the video, comment and also share the video. So look more. Catch you now in the next video guys. Me and Dirty made some work. So look more.